This is my Tennessee walking horse, mare. Ed's pretty lady. Trying out the GoPro here, seeing how it works. She's such a good horse. She's pretty green. I think I've had her out on the trails. I think this might be the 6th time, something like that. But she's, this one's got a really good mind and is very athletic. I think there's a hawk up there, yeah. She's very athletic and very well balanced and everything. She's just a really good horse. I really like her. Yeah, smell it, girl. Just kind of taking her out nice and easy. Good girl. Yeah, back this way. So, come on, you got it, girl. Oh, she's pooping. There we go. All right, good girl. Let's head back. Come on. It's a cold day today, nice and sunny. There you go. Good girl. I rode her yesterday, and she had just a lot of energy and was kind of, she had been cooped up, you know. And today I think she's remembering that ride. It was pretty long, and I mean, a couple hours, and not too long, but pretty intense. We're going down a lot of hills and stuff. This is the courtyard here. I like to do 2 figure eights around these drains that we have here. It's good. They get the feel for your legs and stuff. Got my right leg on it. She's not listening. There you go. Now you did it. Good girl. Good. Kevin's getting Trudy saddled up here. We might take these guys out together. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, she's doing really well. This is one of the mares we're getting back under saddle here. And then we'll offer her for sale this spring, or when anybody wants her, really. But you can see her. She's doing really well. I think I know 2 Erics, and both of them are in the horses. Pretty cool. There you go. Go. Good girl. Let's go this way. There we go. There you go.
Man, I want to get a video when you go to that walk with her. I want to do the slow motion.
Okay.
Back up, please. Back. Back up.
Tell me when you're ready. Are you ready? Okay. You got it. I don't know if you need a slow-mo or not.
I was thinking about yesterday when they were jumping over. Remember Blondie and Gigi
Yeah,
yesterday?
yeah.
Well, probably don't need a slow-mo, huh? Oh boy.
I don't think I'm going to go down that one. I don't feel real confident.
Take that one.
All right.
Oh, some minnows about yay big.
Yeah. Now you can't get up in the saddle with Kevin. Heading up the hills. It's really good for your horse's condition.
It's a lot nicer than 19 is.
Yeah. I'll tell you, man, they get so frisky when it's cool, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes they slip going down the hill, so you got to kind of pump the brakes on them a little bit, like I'm doing here. But I'm going to let them still see where they're going. And try to be real loose in your legs and your hips. Good girl, lady. There you go. Good girl. It's pretty cool. Easy, girl. Easy. Take it easy. Good girl. Man, this horse has a good mind.
Can I wait a little bit?
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah, yeah. Come on, girl. Easy. Pay attention. There. Now you go. Now you go. You always like to burn around that corner. Slip and slide and everything. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay, slow down. We're going around the corner here. Easy, easy. Pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. It's kind of stiff. It's kind of got some ruts here. Easy, girl. Easy. You got it. There you go. Watch those ruts here. There we go. I love running up the hill. So much fun. There you go. Come on, you got it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. There you go. So much fun, man. Huh.
Get them coming to the mill.
Yeah.
One of my buddies used to always say that.
Yeah. Yeah. This was. I just hung on this a little bit, you know, suck myself in to get going, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of times, as long as you're committed, they're fine.
Yeah.
But if you're hesitant,
Yeah.
like, I want you to go, but I'm scared, then it's not okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But shit, I'll hold on, and I'm like, yeah, let's go.
Yeah. It's cool.
But
Yeah, it was
that's just
a lot of fun.
be willing to see what happens. You know?
Yeah. Should people subscribe? They should. Hey, smash that like button and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.